In this training video, I'm going to show you a brand new network, a brand new opportunity that you can participate and you can build a real solid internet business from scratch. If you've never built a website, you've never built a blog, you don't know how to build a website, you don't know how to build a blog, you're not interested in building a website, you're not interested in building a blog, and you have been looking for a way to make money using the internet, then this video is going to show you step by step how you can start today using this brand new opportunity. And I'm going to show you my results with this opportunity. I'm going to show you the proof as well, where you're going to see the products that were sold and the commissions that was made. The good part is that this opportunity that I'm about to share with you is not exaggerated yet. Okay, so you can get on board with this and you can potentially see some results when you apply this and when you activate this. The second good news is that this is 100% beginners friendly. You don't need any kind of prior experience. You don't need any kind of tech skills. You don't need to do any kind of selling yourself. And you don't even need to know how to sell items on the internet. Why? Because in a moment, I'm going to share with you what this opportunity is about and how you can get started with this opportunity. Okay? If you look onto the internet, there are plenty of ways to make money online. One of the best ways and one of the most common way to make money online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and you generate a commission. Okay, so basically every time someone purchased the product through your link which you were given from the network, you make a sale, you make a commission, and that is called affiliate marketing. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't need a product, you don't need a system, you don't need a website, you don't need to launch your product, you don't have to call anyone. It's just simple. Get your affiliate link, choose a product, get your affiliate link, and start driving real human visitors to that product, and you're going to start generating sales and commissions. Okay, this product and this system that I'm about to share with you is affiliate marketing, but there's a switch and there's a like a twist in the angle. Okay, in this case, you're going to get your affiliate link. That's right. But there's a way where you can start to generate commissions without you having to lift a finger. Okay, so let's dive into this and let me show you the opportunity that I am talking about here. Now, before I get into this opportunity, I just want to put a quick disclaimer. Okay, when you join this opportunity, it is free to join this opportunity. I'm going to give you a link to activate your account for free. Okay, you're going to find the link. Okay, so the link is just popping up on the screen right now. You could just open up a new browser, pause the video, okay, and go to this website address, and you will able to activate your free account. And when you do activate your free account, you're going to get $100 in free buyer traffic. Okay, this is where the most important part and the magic happens. Okay, start earning in under 60 seconds. Okay, I don't know if that is true or not. Okay, I don't know if I started earning under 60 seconds, so I'm just going to ignore that. But yes, this is true that once you create your free account, they're going to activate your account and give you $100 worth of free buyer traffic. Link is popping up on the screen. Just go to this website address and you will able to activate your account. So let me show you what I have made so far. So here's the dashboard. Okay, you could see here that they gave me $100 worth of free buyer traffic. Okay, and with that, I was able to generate, I got 125 clicks. Okay, so with $100 free buyer traffic, they gave me 125 clicks. I didn't spend any money to buy the traffic. I didn't spend any money to buy clicks. Okay, I didn't lift a finger to actually buy traffic or anything like that. I created my account with the link, and they activated my account with $100 free buyer traffic. Okay, This is exactly what's going to happen to you as well. So when you activate your account, you're going to be given $100 worth of free product. On the left hand side, you can see the dashboard, you can see the products, you can see the my leads. Okay, so they are I think they have a program within the system where you can get paid for every time you generate a lead. I'm not 100% sure really, so I'm not going to go into that. Then you can buy traffic. You can see my campaign. So I'm right now on my campaigns. You can see the transaction, you can see the quick cash, you can see story, and they have got different ways for you to make money online. All right, so let's just see how much money I have made so far with this opportunity. Okay, so let's just go to the dashboard, and as you can see here, all right, I have made $656.82 in commissions so far, 45 sales and 268 clicks. Okay, now from that 268 clicks, approximately 125 clicks came from the buyer traffic. Okay, and from that buyer traffic I generated approximately over $400. Right, it's a great program, it's a great system. At the moment you can see I'm on 20% commission. I can boost my commissions by upgrading and make it to 65% commission, and I am thinking to do that. I'm just waiting for a couple of more things, and once that happens, I have made an intention that I am going to upgrade myself to 65% commission, because at the moment I'm just getting paid 20% commission. Okay, you can see here, this is my wallet, my commissions, earn more per sale. That means upgrade your account to get commissions and get more sales by buying targeted traffic. Okay, now you might be asking, hello, I'm going to join this. Okay, go here, I'm going to get $100 worth of free buy traffic. That $100 worth of free buy traffic got me up to $400 in commissions. Okay, just to let you know. So you're going to get that, but then what? Then you need to send traffic yourself, okay, to actually start making money. But if you don't know how to drive traffic, you could come here and buy traffic yourself. So you could see here, okay, you could see here that I can buy traffic. So the minimum I can buy is 50, okay, I can buy 50 tier 1 clicks. That's going to cost me $100, okay. And then I can just adjust this. So I could go up to, like, let's just see, you can see here, I can buy up to 10,000. Okay, that's about 12,000 clicks here. Okay, if I buy 10,000, I don't know what sign this is. Is this euro? Is this dollars? I'm just a bit confused here right now. Okay, so deliver 50 clicks. Okay, so I don't know, I think this is euro. So if I buy 10,000 euro worth of clicks, it's going to get me 12,500 clicks. Okay, all right, so I can send buyer traffic and they will do all the heavy lifting for me. Then if I come here, you could see, check out the commission, you could see all the sales that's been generated. So you could see all the product that's been sold using this traffic. So it's very, very powerful. Okay, so you can see here, check this out. All right, check this out. This is some powerful stuff going on here. All the traffic is coming and all the sales are just happening in the back end, all on complete autopilot. Okay, so I love this system so far, looking so good. Okay, so if you are interested, link popping up, if you want to join this, you can, and you can start to generate some potential sales and start making some money.